What's up YouTube's Computer Dish here, and welcome to part 3 of how to build your own computer. So right now in part 3 I'll be teaching you guys how to install the RAM or memory onto the motherboard of the computer. So in my case I have 32 gigs of G.Skill 1600 speed RAM. This is probably a lot more RAM than you'd ever need. On your motherboard you will see 4 slots. Some motherboards have 2, some motherboards have 8, and so forth. So basically, to install it, you'll want to take one RAM stick and then unclip these 2 clips on both sides of the slot. And then you'll want to line up this slot that is on the RAM stick with the slot on the motherboard. So basically, you'll just want to put it in there. And then you'll want to just simply push it down until the 2 clips on the side clip in. This may require a lot more force than a new builder would expect, and then basically just repeat that with every RAM stick that you have. So that's really about it, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, post a video, response below, thumbs up, favorite, and also check out thecomputerdude.com if you're on free go-kart plans.